Good evening.
That's awkward, sorry.
Good evening, and welcome to the Anvil News Sports Update. I'm your host, Jordan Lee.
And I'm your co-host, Josh Kenworthy.
Anyway, we've got some sports scores for you this evening. Starting with Whack with 43 points.
And then comes Slam with 46 points.
And then we got Hustle with 48 points.
Grit with 49.
Rush with 52.
And Adonis in the lead with 57.
Well done, Adonis. Now, as some of you know, some of the girls here on the island have been making trouble for the campers, pulling pranks and other stuff like that. So we sent our intern, Cameron Singh, out into the field to see if he could do something about it, to see if he could distract them for a little bit of a prank. Let's see what he got.
Well, that just sucks, because...
Okay, we need to get the picture though, because I need to get to my
okay.
camera next to me. Okay, smile.
Okay, ready?
I'm doing a picture. Oh, no.
No, for like the wanted posters, for the pranks. Can we make a wanted poster?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. And 3,
Wait, my pocket. My pocket's going out.
3,
Keys?
2.
Wait, I have a key.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, what is that?
Revenge sure is sweet. Huh, Cameron?
Taste that pie. Anyway, we take you now to Harris Toth for the weather.
Well, today the weather is going to...
Yeah, stop playing around. This is my job. The weather is sunny.
Thanks, Harris. Well, this is the final news show of this week. It's been great reporting the news to you, and Josh, any words?
You keep putting me on the spot like that.
Well, that's the Anvil News Sports Update. I'm Jordan Lee.
And I'm Josh Kenworthy.
Aiden Patel.
Cameron Singh.
Josh Kenworthy.
Harris Toth.
Josh Kenworthy.
And Caleb Ritchie.
Signing off.